Here we have the all-new 2020. This is the NX300 Blackline edition. So it's built off of the premium package. So here you're going to see it has the color keyed fender wells. It's got the almost has like a brown tinge with the black gunmetal gray kind of rims here. It's got the black mirrors with the signal lights on the mirror. In the front here, you're going to get your fog lights with turning lights. It has the front sensors, which you don't typically get in the premium. You'd have to go up to the luxury package to get. It's also got the black headlights. It's got the rain sensing or rain headlight washers that come standard on it too. And then it has this really nice gloss black grille that you see here, with the front sensors too. And then here on the passenger side, it has that, instead of the wood grain, you get the really nice trim through here. It has the brown in the stitching and doors. Same with these seats here. It has that really nice brown stitching with the black leather, and it's the perforated leather too that breathes, and it also has heated and ventilated seats. You can raise and lower the passenger side here, forward, backward, tilt, and then it has that same kind of trim with the brown accent there too. And then as we go into the back, you get the bottle holders in the door, power windows, power locks on all four doors. And then in the middle here, you get cup holders. Also has a armrest. It's got your child seat anchors there, which is nice. Down below it has the power port here, which is an actual wall plug. You get your heating vents down on here, as well as the ones underneath the seat. It's got the pockets on both driver and passenger side. And then these seats will fold flat as well. Now, one other big difference you're going to see with this package, and typically you'd have to go up to executive to get it, is the ability to kick underneath the tailgate to open the actual gate. And then interior wise, it's going to give you the carpets with the sort of the brown accent too. It gives you the rear door protection there, so you don't get scratches and stuff from setting things there. And then it's got, this one's got our cargo liner on, so you can see it lines up the back of the seat. Comes with the tonneau cover standard too. And then to close the tailgate, you can either do it from the buttons up top, or of course you can kick underneath as well. Now, the other difference with your sensors is it has intelligent clearance sonars with rear cross traffic brakes. So if you're backing up and somebody walks behind the car, it will not only beep to detect them there, but if they get really close and you're still backing up without your foot on the brake, it'll actually hit the brake for you to stop the vehicle so you won't run into somebody. And that works for pedestrians and cars. Now you get blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. They're power folding mirrors too, with automatic up and down on all four, so you can kind of click twice. And you get, of course, the bottle holders in the door. You get memory seats for 3. And then compared to the passenger side, all the same controls, but except you'll have lumbar support. Now in here, you get automatic headlights and automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, center differential lock, so all 4 tires will lock and spin together. You can disable the blind spot monitoring there, open and close the hatch. And it is power tilt and telescopic steering wheel there too. And then just in the console here, you do have this little mirror with a little bit of storage just underneath it there too. It's got your cup holders, it's got the touchpad for the audio system, automatic parking brake. So as soon as you put it in drive reverse, it disengages it. As soon as you put it in park, it re-engages it through that system there. Hold button will basically, as long as your seatbelt's on, it'll hold the brake for you at a set of lights. And then it's push button start. So you do get dual climate control. Heated and cooled seats. And then up top here, you get your analog clock. And then in the actual audio system, it doesn't have embedded navigation, but it does have projection. So it'll actually project your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto up into the screen. And you'll also have climate control through there too, with the different settings, as well as being able to turn on your front heated wipers or disengage or re-engage the rear heated vents. Or this actually is like an air cleaner. It kind of cleans the air in the car and turns itself automatically after if there are any smells or if you drive through something that isn't always the best. Now you have the touch sensors for your lights up top, your SOS button to call Lexus for roadside assistance or if you're in an accident, and then the door setting as well as your sunroof settings are up top. And then as we look down below, you have your automatic headlights and high beams, rain sensing or automatic wipers here too. So you have the intermittent wipers. And then in here, lane departure alert, radar cruise control settings. Cruise is just under the wheel, and then your Bluetooth and your push to talk button for using for Google, Hello Google, or Siri would be through there for Apple. And up in the dash, you basically have your distance till empty. The reason the engine light's on is because it's not running right now. Instant speed, and a few other settings that you can change as well. And then this button here, if you hold it down, will change up here. It'll make this a favorite section. So whatever screen you're on, you hit this button again, pops you right back to your favorite window. So if you have any questions, this is Mike Linterman. Like and subscribe below, and love to show you more videos. And if you have any questions, just comment below or you can get a hold of me. Thanks a lot for watching.